Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll get into this really weird cycle where I'll start eating cereal every single day after dinner for weeks. And I'm not talking about the healthy kind. I'm talking about the kind that tastes identical to desserts. So I started preparing my own granola, and let me tell you, it is so delicious. It's so customizable, and there are many different variations. It all starts off with these 3 ingredients. Okay guys, so to make this granola, you'll need to choose how you would like to sweeten this. Here are a few options. You could use some maple syrup, some honey, brown sugar, or some good old-fashioned granulated sugar. Choose whichever you please or use a variety. Now for ingredient number 2 to this granola, you'll need a fat that's gonna crisp everything up in the oven and give you that crunchiness. So choose an oil or butter of your choice. You will need a half a cup. Today I'm using coconut oil that's been melted in the microwave and using honey as my sweetener. This is the healthier combo, but let me tell you guys, if you want to splurge and use melted butter, brown sugar, and honey, it is just heavenly. Now mix everything up well, and for that last ingredient, you'll need some good old-fashioned oatmeal, but if you only have quick cooking, that'll work just fine as well. Measure out 3 cups and mix it all up with that oil and honey mixture. And for some of the mix-ins, I have here an array of different nuts and seeds. Add whichever you please. Make sure they all get coated in that mixture and place these onto a cookie sheet that's either been sprayed with non-stick or has a parchment paper lining. Slightly press it down so that when it bakes up, it forms all of those delicious chunky clusters. And this is gonna bake for about 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This part is completely optional, but not necessary. If you want loose granola, flip it over and mix it around halfway through. Now, once that 30 minutes is up, remove the granola from the oven. And yes, the house does smell heavenly, like freshly baked oatmeal cookies. The granola is gonna be slightly soft, but this must sit for at least 5 minutes and cool, because that's when it'll completely firm up. Go ahead then and break everything up with a spatula. I cannot wait to dig in. This granola is good for up to 2 weeks in an airtight container. At this point, you can add any other mix-ins you like chocolate chips or some raisins, any kind of dried fruits. This granola has everything but the kitchen sink in it. It's so much fun to make. Double or triple the recipe and you'll have a healthy breakfast all month long. Serve this on top of some homemade yogurt, which is also very easy to make. Check out the link at the end of this video if you want to see how. Or serve this the way I like to eat it, in a bowl with some milk. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I post quick and easy recipes weekly. They always have a unique twist to them. So be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out.